Today, we're revealing 12 secret OSINT tools you can only find on the dark web. These powerful tools help you gather, analyze, and connect data from places most search engines can't reach. Use them for digital investigations, research, or to boost your cybersecurity knowledge. This is for educational and research purposes only. Let's get started. Dark Search is a search engine built for the dark web's onion sites. It indexes hidden websites and dives deep into metadata, archiving snapshots and tracking historical changes. You can view both current and past versions of sites, which is useful for investigations. Dark Search filters out known malicious and illegal content, making searches safer. You can refine results with filters like domain, content type, or update date. Its metadata indexing and historical archive features are invaluable for OSINT investigations. Always use secure browsing practices when using Dark Search. AMIA is a search engine designed for discovering Tor hidden services with a strong focus on privacy. You can access AMIA from both the regular web and through Tor, making it flexible for different OSINT workflows. AMIA filters out illegal and malicious content, keeping your searches safer than most dark web search engines. You can browse categories, discover new onion domains, and check for uptime, useful for tracking changes on the dark web. AMIA is open source and publishes transparency reports, so you know exactly what's being indexed. It's a reliable tool for conducting safe, responsible, and legal OSINT research on the dark web. Onion Scan is a tool for analyzing the technical infrastructure of Tor hidden services. It detects vulnerabilities, security misconfigurations, and technical fingerprints that can link different onion domains. Onion Scan helps identify exposed sensitive data, outdated software, and information leaks that could compromise anonymity. It also maps relationships between services, revealing connections and patterns across the dark web. Use Onion Scan to gather technical intelligence and track vulnerabilities on hidden services. Hunchly automatically documents every web page you visit during investigations, capturing screenshots, timestamps, and metadata without manual effort. It preserves a complete record for chain of custody and evidence authenticity. You can export detailed reports with all supporting data for legal or investigative use. Hunchly is essential for investigators, journalists, and researchers who need reliable, organized digital evidence. Torbot is an automated crawler for the dark web, designed to systematically explore, index, and map onion domains. It removes the need for manual link hopping by automating the discovery of new and obscure sites. Torbot can find sites not listed on public directories and surface fresh intel. You can configure it to monitor specific keywords, domains, or changes within known sites. Torbot is open source, so you can customize it for your investigation. It's useful for both solo researchers and cybersecurity teams. Lampire connects usernames, emails, and cryptocurrency wallets across multiple platforms and data sources. Its dashboard lets you trace and link digital identities for investigations. Lampire's visualization tools help map relationships and spot anomalies. It pulls intelligence from both surface and dark web sources. Start with an identifier, like an email, and follow its trail across forums, social media, and blockchain transactions. Lampire supports team collaboration, letting multiple investigators work together on cases. ExifTool is a must-have tool for extracting metadata from digital files. It reveals hidden details like timestamps, GPS locations, and device info in photos, documents, and videos. Investigators use ExifTool to find where a photo was taken, when a document was created, or which device was used. It's essential for verifying evidence and tracing the origins of files. ExifTool can expose metadata fingerprints, helping spot patterns or verify authenticity. It supports a huge range of file formats, making it versatile for any investigation. Maltego is a powerful tool for mapping digital relationships in investigations. It visualizes connections between domains, emails, identities, and crypto wallets. Maltego's transforms automate data gathering from multiple intelligence sources. Start with one clue and expand to uncover entire networks. This saves hours compared to manual searching. Maltego supports dark web sources, letting you trace hidden connections and illicit transactions. Spiderfoot is an automated reconnaissance tool that monitors for data leaks, phishing campaigns, exposed credentials, and compromised infrastructure. It pulls data from hundreds of sources, including the dark web, surface web, and public databases. A single scan reveals threats, vulnerabilities, and open doors. Reporting features provide detailed insights into findings and their potential impact. Scans are highly customizable for specific targets, keywords, or data types. Use Spiderfoot to quickly identify and respond to cyber threats. Reconning is a modular OSINT framework designed to automate and scale digital reconnaissance. You can add or remove modules based on your investigation's needs. Recon automates workflows, saving hours of manual work. It can scrape social media, check domain registrations, and correlate email addresses across platforms. Reconning structures your findings into a searchable database and allows you to export detailed reports. It's a powerful tool for managing multiple investigations and boosting productivity. If you're serious about privacy and anonymity during investigations, Tails OS is a must. This operating system is built from the ground up for secure, session-based work. When you boot into Tails, nothing touches your hard drive. Everything runs in memory and disappears when you shut down. Tails routes all your internet traffic through Tor by default, making it nearly impossible to trace your identity or location. This is critical for journalists, activists, and investigators working in hostile environments or dealing with sensitive sources. One of Tails' standout features is its trace removal. Every session starts fresh, with no digital residue left behind. You can use encrypted storage for critical files, but otherwise, your footprint is wiped clean every time you reboot. Integration with Tor means you can safely access both the surface web and Onion services, all while maintaining the highest standards of operational security. Tails isn't just an OS, it's a fortress for digital investigations. Last, but definitely not least, is Datasploit. Think of it as your one-stop shop for aggregated OSINT investigations. It pulls intelligence from a wide array of sources, social media, surface web, and, crucially, the dark web, giving you a holistic view of your target. Datasploit's automation capabilities let you scale investigations that would otherwise take days. Set your parameters, and it will gather, correlate, and present findings across multiple domains, identities, and platforms. This is a game changer for large-scale threat hunting or deep dive research. What makes Datasploit really powerful is its modular design. You can run targeted modules for social profiles, email breaches, domain lookups, and more, all from a single interface. The result is a comprehensive intelligence dossier that's easy to review and share. For organizations or individuals who need to stay ahead in the digital intelligence race, Datasploit is a force multiplier. It's about working smarter, not harder, automating the grunt work so you can focus on actionable insights. So there you have it, 12 secret OSINT tools you can find in the dark web environment, each with its own strengths and unique capabilities. Whether you're digging into hidden services, mapping out digital relationships, or verifying evidence, these tools form the backbone of structured, effective digital investigations. They're the difference between chasing shadows and uncovering real insights. But let's be clear. The power of OSINT comes with serious responsibility. Always make sure your investigations are ethical, legal, and respect the privacy of others. These tools should never be used for malicious purposes, and understanding the boundaries of what's appropriate is just as important as knowing how to use the tech itself. Stay curious, stay informed, and above all, stay responsible. The digital world is constantly changing, and by using these tools wisely, you can help make it a safer place for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay safe out there.